Hi! How are you? You look so pretty today. Did you cut your hair or something? Yeah, hey everyone, my name is Zenrik. For today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did this look. I completely did this look unplanned. I feel like the best looks that I've made are unplanned, honestly. You know, I just want to play with colors that I don't usually play with, like greens, purples, and pinks, because I usually go for neutral. So yeah, this is what the look turned out looking like. Oh, and by the way, if I'm kind of off with this intro, I'm so sorry. My city just got hit with a 5.9 magnitude earthquake, and there's two other ones after that while I was doing my makeup. So that was kind of traumatizing for me. I know I always have it. We always have it here in the Philippines. But still, if it happens, I get like pretty scared and like nervous and anxious. But yeah, if you guys want to know how I did this look, then keep on watching. Hey, good evening or good morning wherever you are. I don't really know where you are, so yeah, take the two. For today's video, I don't really have like a look planned. I just want to do very creative looks. I do have my contacts on, so sorry if I have like lizard eyes or something. You just have to live with it, you know? So for today, I felt a little courageous for doing a hairstyle that completely does not match my face shape, because as you can see, I look like the edge of a sausage. But I've seen a lot of models do it, like makeup influencers and stuff like that. So I decided to do it, you know, just for fun and games. Am I gonna wear this in public? Absolutely not. By the way, I finally went out yesterday with my friends. I haven't went out with my friends for like a long time now, because first, I have very low social abilities now. Second, there's COVID. Yesterday, I finally get the chance to meet them. I don't know, I personally think like after college, I've lost a lot of my fun side. Back in college, it was like so loud and obnoxious, and I would literally like start conversations with strangers. But now I can't do that, you know? Can't wait to finally get my vaccine and like just live life normally, you know? We all have our opinions, but I do encourage you to like get vaccinated and stuff like that, because that's the only way that we can, you know, all go back to normal. If I have the chance to like get it now, I'll get it. So this is not usually how I do my makeup. Usually I just do my eyes first. I mean my brows, my eyes, and then my foundation. But now I'm feeling a little frisky. Oh my gosh, you guys, funny story. I don't know if you guys believe in like horoscopes and stuff like that, but I do. I heavily like really dig into it. But yesterday when I went out with my friends, I actually went out with my cousin Vincent, and all along I thought that he was an Aquarius. How are we close when like I'm a Cancer? And I don't usually get along with Aquarius people, you know? That's probably why both of my exes are Aquarius, but actually he was a Pisces all along. So that was a very sickening find yesterday. So for all my astrology lovers out there, how did the retrograde like affected your life? I had problems with communication, that's for sure, and also my social skills. But the retrograde's ending, so let's just look forward for that. Ew, I look like an actual sausage. What the frig? I look like one of those fish balls. Do you guys eat those? I don't really eat those because I'm kind of allergic to seafood. So I'm just gonna do my brows off camera and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, hi. So this is what the brows look like. This is as good as it's gonna get with the brows. If you guys do want a tutorial on how I do my brows, I'll just link it like here. If you want to watch that, watch that. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly prime my eyes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. This is good if you want to do colorful look. It holds the color very well, and most importantly, it'll make your eyeshadow like true to color, which we all want, you know? Okay, so by the way, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Volume 1 Nervina palette. This is the Color Story. I'm gonna use A5 first, the pink one. And what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna focus this on my outer V. By the way, so you guys, like going back to the brows, do you guys still carve your brows? Because I tend to find that I don't like carving my brows now. I do want to try the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. Do you guys like it? It's that they just blend like really good. I'm just gonna keep adding pigment. Okay, so after that, I'm just gonna be taking another brush and I'm gonna grab a purple shade, maybe like this one. This is A2. And I'm gonna put that color here on my inner corner. Make sure you have a very light hand because these are really pigmented. and we're just gonna keep blending that in, and I'm gonna blend that all the way to my brows. I'm gonna clean my brush really well, and now it's clean. I'm just gonna take that and blend the corners so that it will look seamless. Just gonna intensify the purple a little bit, but only on the inner part. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this D2 shade, and this shade is a very duochrome pink purple blue glitter situation, and I really love it. And I'm just gonna take my fingers for this one because I find that this applies better with your fingers. I'm gonna apply it like directly on the inner part of my lid, and I'm gonna drag that shimmer all the way up to the purple to serve as a topper for that color. And I'm just gonna take a flat brush, and what I'll do is I'll just bring that in to, you know, just blend that so it won't look too harsh. Okay, so the next color that I'm gonna take is A1. This is a very white lilac shimmer situation, and I really like it for my inner corners. Now I actually want to do like a green bottom lash line situation, so I'm gonna be taking the James Charles X Morphe palette. And the first shade that I'm going to be dipping to is this one, the light green, the light yellow green. I'm going to take it on a tiny blending brush like this. Okay, so now that we have that yellow green situation, I'm going to take the darker green besides it, and I'm going to put it on my outer corner. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly do my other eye off camera, and I'm going to be right back, okay? Not the sirens. So this is what we have with the eyes so far. I did my winged liner, and I did a few coats of mascara. For a liner, I used the Patrick Star, and I used Maybelline for my lashes. Okay, so I'm just gonna be wiping away the bake that we had earlier, and I'm gonna grab this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder in the shade Nude Beige 300, and I'm gonna use this on my under eye to kind of like brighten that area up. I learned this technique from Miss Patricia Stariqua. She loves doing this for more coverage and also to bring highlight to your face. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty Island Ting. I'm also gonna be using this for contour. I don't really contour now, I just bronze. From Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Light Bronzer. And I like this one because it's not too harsh for your nose. I mean, you can barely see anything, but it's there. It does the effect. Okay, so for blush, I'm just going to be using a very pinky blush, and I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheek. I like putting it like very high up here. It makes you look very youthful and stuff. And I also concentrated a lot here on the high point of my cheekbones. So for my lips, I'm just going to be using these two. This is the Revlon Color Stay HD Lips in 613 Forever, and this is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. So what I'll do is I'll kind of overline my lips with this, and then what I'll do is I'll put the gloss on the center, and that is what we have with the lips so far. I'm just gonna set my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the rest of my makeup, put on my lashes, and I'm gonna be right back for the finished look, sissy girl. Okay, wait for me. An earthquake just hit my city like 3 times while I was off camera and finishing my look. The first one was very intense. I think it was like a 5.9 magnitude one. I looked it up online, and the other ones are like aftershocks. And I have really bad I have very bad like motion sickness, and I also feel really anxious when it comes to like natural disasters. So if you guys feel like I'm not so if you guys feel like I'm kind of off, that's probably it. I know like I should be used to having this because I live in the Pacific Ring of Fire. I live in that area, but every time it just happens, you just don't know what happens, you know? But yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys loved it. I'm gonna be filming an intro after this, so I'm gonna try and kind of settle down and stay calm before filming it so that I don't have like a bad energy or something. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, please like and subscribe. And by the way, tell me what's your worst like earthquake experience if ever you've had it before. Comment it down in the description box down below. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys love this video so much. And see you on my next video. Bye, Gorge. Take care.